Welcome to Spotlight 5. I'm Sally Spitz, and I'm so glad you joined us today to see who's in the spotlight. The Cleveland Department of Public Health is leading a campaign to educate the community about lead-safe living. Deputy Project Director Valencia White's going to talk with me about lead poison prevention. Now, immediately following my conversation with Valencia, you can log on to newsnet5.com for a web chat with Valencia and representatives from the Lead Safe Living program. And they're going to answer all your questions about lead poison prevention. Valencia, thank you so much for joining us. Let's start off. Tell me where lead is found and how do children get poisoned?
I'm glad you asked. Lead is found in many places, but we're primarily concerned with houses built before 1978. When the paint in those houses are disturbed, or if it cracks or peels, it poses a hazard to children, especially kids under the age of 6 who explore their world through hand and mouth contact.
Right.
So they tend to have a need to swallow the paint or even ingest lead dust.
Okay. So what does a parent do, or how do they know if their child's been poisoned? What are some of the symptoms?
Unfortunately, there are no symptoms. The only way a parent would know is to have a lead test.
Really? So
Yes.
you have just no idea?
That's why we encourage them to have the children tested.
Now, where can they go to get tested?
I'm glad you asked. They can go to their pediatrician or they can go to their family doctor. We also provide testing free of charge at our Cleveland Health Centers. We have an East Side location. It's John Glenn Smith, located at 11100 St. Clair Avenue, and we also have a West Side location, McCaffrey, which is located at 4242 Lorraine Avenue in Cleveland.
So let me ask you this. You were talking about houses built before when?
1978.
So if you live in a house built before 1978, should you have somebody come in and inspect the home? I mean, what are some things that we can do for prevention?
Some things that you can do is we also have people who come out to your home if they have young children and they identify the hazards in your home. And we also have grant programs available that can help you make the repairs to your home.
What are some simple things that parents can do to protect their kids?
Well, they say that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure.
True.
So some things that a parent can do is make sure that they have their children in a clean environment, provide a safe place. Don't let them play on an old porch or even on bare soil. Other things that they can do is practice routine cleaning of the home, either weekly or bi-weekly, making sure that they're using a damp cleaning method,
okay,
or also a slow vacuuming method, paying attention to the window sills and the doorways.
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much. That's some very vital information. And don't forget, you can log on right now to newsnet5.com for a web chat with Valencia and representatives from the Lead Safe Living program. They're going to answer all your questions about lead poison prevention. That's newsnet5.com.